somewhere close to where she put to makeup and brush her blonde hair. And then she asked me, do you look alright? And I said yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and there were the time to see this beautiful lady. We're walking around with me, and then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I said yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love in your eyes, and I wonder how we hold. Is it that I just realized how much I love you? It's time to go home now and go ushering. So I give her a car key and she helped me to bed. And then I tell her, as her to the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. I say, my darling,